Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher silverware basket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new silverware basket. The silverware basket is where you put the utensils in the dishwasher. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can take off the silverware basket. It's just mounted on a couple pins. All you have to do is lift up on it and then pull it off the door. Here's the old silverware basket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. To put the new silverware basket in, you want to make sure that the pins go into the openings on each side. All you have to do is lay it down and then push it down to the bottom of the door to lock it into place. Once you have it in place, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.